Tons of material is available on internet in connection with Java. I still request you to flip over the coming scenes as something new may cross your eyes. Java got its birth to solve an inherent problem of computer programmers to be able to run their code on different types of hardware and operating systems. Let us know how. Java follows the right ones run anywhere philosophy by using a simple philosophy that programmer writes a code which is compiled to bytecode which can be run on JVM or Java virtual machine, and an exclusive platform specific JVM is supposed to be available for any computer architecture commonly used. Java reduces low-level complexities available in other languages like C++, such as pointers, structures and unions, operator overloading, etc. Currently, two major editions that are shipped by its official owner, Oracle Corporation, are Java SE, the Standard Edition, and the Enterprise Edition. Here we shall be talking about installation of Java Standard Edition. Download JDK from Oracle site. Select JDK version as per the OS and computer system you have. Follow installation instructions with exact steps as told there. Java provides major functionality by using APIs or application programming interfaces. The main ones for standalone application programming are java.lang, java.util, java.io. The main classes for these are wrapper classes for primitive data types which are named as boolean, byte, character, double, float, integer, long, etc. Math class, string and string buffer class, system class, throwable exception class, etc. Please note that wrapper class name begins with an uppercase alphabet as against the lowercase alphabet for primitive data type. Classes for date, random, hash table and stack functionality. Classes for buffered or unbuffered input-output from console or file are found here. Every Java programmer or enthusiast should know these links, so I decided to tell them to you in the beginning of this course itself. Java documentation link will be your essential resource for searching authentic information about all Java functionality. Keep visiting this place for every small thing you want to know. People who are into Java programming often do not care about these specifications. I strongly recommend my students to keep going through this documentation off and on. Once they follow my advice, they definitely become better programmers. Visiting the Java community page after some experience on Java actually polishes you a lot and it makes you fall in love with Java.